Welcome to the new cartoon show, The Time Machine.
Wow! My new invention, time machine, is successfully working. Now I need to check it, how it's working.
Hello, Steve. Why you have called me here?
Don't you know I am a big scientist? Recently I have invented a very unique thing. As you are my best friend, I want to show you something special.
What's that surprising invention? I'm very much worried about this.
I have invented a time machine. Do you know what is time machine? Time travel is the concept of movement between certain points in time, and the time machine is the thing by which we can travel anywhere in the world through time.
What are you saying? I don't understand actually. I have no idea about this, my friend.
You don't need to understand now. Let's go and travel the world. I'm so much excited about this time machine.
Let's go. I can't wait a minute.
Okay, let's go.
Look, where are we now?
I think we are in a cave of ancient era. Caves had been used by humans for a long time and for a number of reasons. For many they provided shelter.
You are right. Look around. There's some bones of animal. It refers to the era of Aborigines. They learned to make fire by using stone.
You are right. Now let's go to another place.
Okay, let's go. Wow! Now we are in the moon. Look around. There's many stars around us.
Look, there's our Earth. Looking so tiny.
It's look tiny because of the moon is 384,400 kilometers far from our Earth. Don't you know this?
I knew it. And I also know Apollo 11 was the space flight that first landed humans on the moon on July 1969, and Neil Armstrong was the first human who landed on the moon.
Thank you for those information. I did not know these. Let's go to another place.
Okay, let's go. Do you know where we are now?
No, I don't. Where we are? Look around. Everything is burning.
Now we are in Austria, where the First World War began in 1914 and stopped in 1918. In this war, more than 16 million soldiers and civilians were dead.
Oh, I see. This is horrible. Please bring me another place immediately. I can't breathe well.
Don't worry, my friend. Now, we are going to Egypt, the place of historic. See, we are in the Pyramid of Egypt. Do you know what is pyramid, my friend?
Yes, I know. The Egyptian pyramids are ancient masonry structures. Sources cite at least 118 identified Egyptian pyramids. Most were built as tombs for the country's pharaohs and their consorts during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods.
Egypt has a glorious history. Ancient Egyptians believed that when the king died, part of his spirit remained with his body. To properly care for his spirit, the corpse was mummified, and everything the king would need in the afterlife was buried with him, including gold vessels, food, furniture, and other offerings.
Oh my God. You want to say, here's have mummified dead boys. Please let's go from here. I am scared.
Don, be scared, my friend. We are leaving. Finally, we are in my mechanical lab. How was your journey, my friend? Are you happy now?
It was an amazing journey in my life. Your invention is mind-blowing. Thanks for calling me here. I have hurried to go home. Enough for today. Now, I'm leaving. See you another day.
Bye-bye. See you too, my friend.